Hi guys, I am back with yet another unboxing today. Today I am going to unbox Asus PC cabinet, Tough Gaming gt501. Now I am going to unbox this PC case, then I am going to review. Asus doesn't make a lot of PC cases, but it actually comes with very few very good cases. I ordered this complete card as offer is going up, so I got this for 10k in Indian rupees, 10,000 rupees.
And imagine a utopia, darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down.
Asus in search of incredible tough gaming case gt501. Very tough case with the weighs around 11 kgs.
For a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Let's see what are all the things comes with this box.
And if I say it enough,
This very tough case. It doesn't come so easily.
honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Oh, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way
Very well built gaming case. This manual, user manual. You can read this how to install components into it. You can refer it if you want. Then these are air filters. It goes to the front after the mesh, front mesh. And this one is for top magnetic dust filters. This fits here like this.
honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start.
Now I am going to remove this side tempered glass by loosening thumb screws. You can just slide it, and base of the cabinet holds the tempered glass. It doesn't fall off easily. Lower part of the side. This is very good feature actually. It doesn't fall off easily. Then you have to lift this tempered glass to remove it. This is such a nice feature of this cabinet. Tempered glass is 4 mm thickness. Very tough one. Very beautifully looking. Very transparent. It got in front of the cabinet 3 ARGB fans, addressable RGB fans, 120 mm in size. This is very spacious cabinet. You can fix E80X motherboard and all the components without limitation. Honeycomb pattern top grill. Also you can see two ergonomic carry handles. Cotton oven can enable us to carry up to 30 kgs. In front IO panel, power button, USB 3.0 USB ports, headphone in, mic in, headphone out. This is front case, front panel. You can remove it just pulling. Front panel, honeycomb grill both sides, made of aluminium, and you can observe the logo. Very tough one, very good case. This part is made of aluminium, only mesh and front part. This is surrounding part. This is plastic fiber plastic case. Here you can also install a radiator in front of the case before the fans. These 120 mm fans throw sufficient air into the case that your components remain cool during heavy performance. Whole panel goes like this. It's magnetic. You can easily wash this filter after accumulating of dust. It is very easy to wash, very well made. These are all the cables. Cable management strips has been provided with a tough gaming badge. Very helpful cables to keep intact. This cabinet crafted from 1.5 mm galvanized steel gives very good durability. In these two brackets you can install 2.5 mm SSDs or two 3.5 hard disks. Here also you can put 3.5 mm 2 hard disk. 4 pin cable. 4 pin fan. 140 mm non RGB fan. Let's look into this tiny box. What there inside? Small lid, PVC shroud lid. I think it fits here. Also in this box we get screws and ties, zip ties and screws, motherboard screw and PSU screws, and screws for SSD and hard disk to fix in their brackets. Bottom side of this cabinet we can see here that you can install your custom cool AIO liquid cooling tank. Here we can see PSU air intake filter that PSU draws air from this bottom side of the cabinet. You can clean this filter after accumulating dust, then you can easily put it back to that place. Rubber pads have been provided in the legs of the cabinet. These are very good for addition of good quality of this case. These tiny holes has been provided to tag zip ties to manage cables. This PAC slot for vertical GPU installation and 7 PAC slots has been provided. These cables are from front panel ARGB fans that you get here that RGB control, ARGB control, SATA connector for power draw, Molex pin to SATA converter. This one Molex to 3-pin fan connector. Fan cables are separate from ARGB fan lighting cables. So you have to connect different connections to give power to the fan. This one is for ARGB RGB lighting control, that you have to connect to the SATA power draw, then you have to control front panel 3.4 USB header, then power switch and in power LED and HD audio. You can remove this PSU shroud to install PSU and hard disks on the base. This is not metallic, this is made of fiber plastic.
It gets ingrained in my head and I start to...
Here you can install 3.2 hard disks or 2.5 mm SSD By removing this bracket, you can remove this way, screwing here. Then after installing it, you can reinstall here. That way you can install 2 HDD or SSDs. You have to remove this SSD bracket to put install SSD in the bracket, then you have to install it. That way you can see here 3 SSDs besides the motherboard. Total you can install 7 SSDs or 5 SSDs and 2 hard disks in total. Rubber grommets has been provided to manage cables to give aesthetic looking in cable management. This is a premium cabinet, that's why they have provided this feature here also. Very easy to tuck cables through this rubber grommets. At the top of the cabinet you can install a water cooling radiator up to 360 mm or 3 120 mm fans or 2 140 mm fan. You can install it with very ease up to 85 mm maximum. This ergonomic PC cabinet is very well built with the tough military grade 1.5 mm galvanized steel. You can observe here the tough gaming logo of Asus with military grade texture on the surface. I am going to put new components, my new build in this cabinet. So until then I just show you how this RGB fans works by connecting to my older motherboard and to the power PSU of my older system. Let's see how this goes to work. I just switch on. Let's look at the RGB fans. This fan's wire is too short to connect to my another PC, so I am not showing this. This is only fan, not RGB fan. Fan 140 mm fan with addressable RGB controller. They have provided with the case. We can control RGB fans light without connecting it to the motherboard. The second button you can choose different patterns. It's going to it has got too many patterns to switch among. Overall, it is a very well built premium cabinet that you can get under 15,000 in India. Usually this cabinet costs around 13,000 rupees in India. I got this in a deal for 10,000 rupees in Flipkart. That's it in this video. If you like this video, please click like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get new notification of my new videos. Thank you for watching.